You cannot be a mother and have children and give 100% to your job. Wow, I saw that podcast interview with Ellen in the Call Her Daddy podcast, and I cannot help but think how that applies to me and my career and how everything in my life has changed since having children. I was just having a talk with one of my coworkers the other day regarding like how weird it is to be at this stage in life where I'm slowing down now versus speeding up. When I was a new grad nurse, I would have never thought I'd be where I am now. I wanted to work in the ICU, and even when I graduated as a nurse practitioner, I wanted to be a trauma and ICU nurse. I wanted the adrenaline. I wanted to work with the sickest patients. And I think it's just like my ego telling me that that's where I belong. And now I'm living the slow life. I'm actually working in a specialty. And as much as possible, I don't want to work hard. So weird that I've always kind of like identified myself as a career woman and how important my career and my job is to me. And then after having children, I realized that my job is just a job, and really my number one priority is always going to be my children. And having, this demanding schedules, if you want to do the hard, job or the hard career, requires time away from your children. I don't want to do that. I'm actually in a specialty, and I'm gonna subspecialize even more this year. And looking back now, Elaine, 14, 15 years ago, would have never thought this is where I'm gonna end up in. As a nurse right now, I just want to live the softest life. I just want to work the less hours and make the most amount of money. And I think that, I don't know if that's just a growing up thing, or I'm just learning more about money and about wealth, and how eventually at the end of the day, what we really want is just more time, not really money.